request you please don't come forward right now for this. Photography will give you time later. I'll now request Mr. Tarun Khanna, Head Marketing, to do the presentation, please. Tarun Khanna.
Can we have the photo, please?
Very sorry about this delay, and thank you very much for your patience today. So Punto was launched almost exactly a year ago in Delhi, right here in this city. Since then, it's won a lot of awards and accolades. It's raking in the numbers very well for us. It got awarded by E.T. Zigbee as the Premium Hatchback of the Year 2009. UTVI Autocar gave it the Best Design and Styling Award. It was rated by BBC Top Gear as the Most Beautiful Car of the Year. And it's not just the critics, it's also the customers. In a recent HT Mars customer survey on owner satisfaction amongst cars in the 4 to 6 lakh bracket, the Punto was rated as the best in class.
Thank you very much for joining again. Always well with the love and affection you all give to us, and that brings a lot of energy in us to do more and more. Tarun has said all about what we are going to offer now to Indian public. It's a relatively new segment in hatchbacks called performance diesel. Most of the hatchback in India actually work around 70-75 horsepower. And now we are talking about 93 PS in a hatchback which has been loved by not only media and evaluators but by our customers. 209 Newton meter of torque is going to actually give that feel and flow the adrenaline in the drivers who really want a performance car. With the technology Fiat has built into the engine, including the variable geometry turbo, keeps a balance between the power demand and the demand in the engine systems. We expect this car to deliver around 20 kilometers per liter. So it's good on power, but it's going to be fairly economical to drive. A real combination for a car lover. And I'm sure it's going to be a great success in the Indian market. Actually talks about the seriousness we take Indian market with. Of course, we have started with engines, which are powering Tata Motor cars and Fiat cars. We have launched Linea and Punto, and as we go forward in future, there will be more offerings. When we talk about market share, very difficult to talk about market share in this dynamic environment, which is going up and down. Suddenly, with the growing market, we will be seeing increase in our market share than what we have today.
As we need to say, we split it into B and B plus segment, premium hatchback and lower hatchback, is obviously growing the fastest and constitutes almost 60% of the car market in India. So if you are serious, as Mr. Kapoor said about India, you cannot ignore it.
Today we are at about 175. So we have virtually tripled our outlet in the last 1 year. From about 60 we are at about 180 or 175 or so as of now. Going forward, it is our interest to improve the penetration further, but it all depends on our own portfolio, how we wish to expand, where we want to enter. But by and large now, most markets in the country we have sort of covered with the current network that we have.
And are you satisfied with the way the dealerships are actually retailing the Fiat cars, and in terms of training of the staff, in terms of pushing the Fiat brand? Are you satisfied with that, or do you think that?
Okay, within the dealership we have two clear demarcated areas, one for the Tata brand and the other for the Fiat brand. The Tata cars are sold the way trainers, and we have a whole set of trainers. Fiat has a separate set of trainers, set of people, including the uniform, including the way they deal with customers, etc. Everything is different within that showroom. So the Fiat brand is sold the way Fiat is sold worldwide, and Tata is sold the way Tata is sold worldwide. So clearly these two experiences are different, and we are very happy with the way things are going. And that really was the idea of having both the brands into one showroom.
The ownership experience, Fiat has an extended warranty which is 50 months. Fiat has a roadside assistance which is 50 months. Fiat has separate dealers. So the customer, we recognize that there is a customer difference. That's why two zones that he talked about. So we are giving not only the purchase experience which is in line with the brand ethos, also the ownership experience which is in line with brand ethos.
Mr.
Kapur, this is Sumit from ET now. I would like to know one thing that Tata,